Hello guys, let's start with another problem which is known as string matching in an array. So what is given here? We are given with the array of strings, that is words, that and we have to check whether the words that are a substring of another words and return an answer in any order. Okay. So for example, if we'll take the example of first case, that is words array containing mass as hero superhero. You can clearly see here that as is present in mass and hero is present in superhero. What could be our list of string? That is answer. Our answer would be as comma hero that we are returning. Got it? What could be our logic, guys? What could be our logic? First of all, we'll take out the length of the array of words of type string, and then we'll create an list of string answer. Now, using for loop from 0 to n, that is the length of the array of words, we'll loop around. We'll take a string. First, we'll take a string, mark it as s or s1. Now we can use another loop and we'll put a condition as if the index in the outer loop is not equals to the index in the inner loop. If they do not match, then we'll check whether the s2 string contains s1. If s2 contains s1 and our answer list of string does not contains s1, then we'll add s1 into our answer list of a string, otherwise we won't. At last of the two loops, we'll return our list of string answer. Clear? Let's try to implement this approach. First, let's take out the length of the words array. Now, let's make list of string answer to store our substring words as new array list. Now, using for loop from I is equals to 0 till n I plus plus such that string s1 is equals to words of I. Take another loop, j is equals to 0 till n j plus plus. And if I is not equals to j, because we do not want to match two same strings at the same index, hence we are putting this condition. If I is not equals to j, that is index I is not equals to index j, then string s2 is equals to words of j, such that we have to check that if s2 contains s1 and if answer does not contains s1, then we'll add s1 into our answer list of string. Otherwise, we won't do anything. At last, we'll return our answer list. What we are doing? We are taking out the length of the string words array. We are initializing new list of string answer to store our answers words which are substring of another words. Then using two for loop, we are checking whether one string is a substring of another string or not. If it is substring of another string and answer list of string does not contains the it, then we are adding it to our answer list, and at last we are returning it. Let's try to run it. Sorry guys, my mistake. Array list. Let's try to run it. Yeah, it is working absolutely fine. As you can see for the first example, mass contains S and superhero contains hero. So S and hero are returned here. In the second case, LeetCode, LeetCode contains eat, LeetCode contains code. So eat and code are present in LeetCode. So eat and code are returned. In the third case, blue, green, BU. Nothing matches, nothing are the substring of each other. So null list of string is returned as an answer. Got it? Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it is working absolutely fine. It is working absolutely fine. So what about the time and space complexity? As you can see here, the time complexity is big of n square into m square. Guys, as you can see, we are using two for loops from 0 to n till another one is also from 0 to n. In worst case, each and every string is a substring of another string. For example, if I'll take an example of a comma a comma a. Okay, so each and everyone is a substring of another string. Okay, so in the worst case, both the loop will run. So it is n square. Why I am taking m square? M is the length of the word. In general, any word, I am taking m as the length of the word present in the string of array words. Okay, here using contains functionality of a string, I am checking whether s2 contains s1 and whether answer contains s1 or not. These both also take m time. Okay, whereas m is the length of the word present in the array of words. Okay, so that's why these two are also checking at a time in the if condition. So it is m square, using m square. Both the conditions should satisfy. So it is choosing both the condition. In the worst case, all words present in the words array are substring, as I can show you here. So that's why it is n square into m square. We go of n square into m square. What about the space complexity? Guys, space complexity is big O of m into n. Why? Because if in the worst case, all words present in the words array are substring of each other, that means our list of string answer would return whole array of string words. Okay, so it is big O of n, and it would check whether it is present in our answer list or not. It will check m times. So it is big O of n into m for every string s1. So what is our space and time complexity? Our time complexity is big O of n square into m square, and our space complexity is big O of m into n. That's it. Signing off. And please like, subscribe, and watch my videos. And if you are watching my videos, try to solve quizzes at the last. Bye bye.